guys, so we have now made it to Spain and we have arrived in Santander. Very small airport, very nice and cozy. It's actually very friendly. The staff there was really nice to us and helped us getting around so we could go to the little shuttle that was taking us to the place where we've rented the car from. And then the lady from the car rental was actually also super helpful. She gave us the few tricks and indications of how to drive in Spain, since people here tend to drive a little bit crazier than what we're used to. And yeah, so this is just us on the road now, going on to our first night's stay that we're going to be in
Suances.
So yeah, here we are now. Parking our rental car in the very tiny spot that we have here, and this is the place. We've got our keys. Very excited for tonight. All right, come on in. We're gonna get into our apartment now. Ooh, that's nice. Come on. And if we go from this view and then into the bedroom, oh, look at us. We're gonna be sleeping in separate beds tonight. Oh, it's a girl. And wait, hold on, let me get this whole, look at that patio door. It's so nice. And then another little balcony here. Wow. I love the red tiles on the houses. I know I said it before, but I'm saying it again. The red tiles is pretty cool.
It's pretty Spanish.
Yeah. So we just walked around the little center area downtown. So it's not really downtown. It's kind of like by the beach area where they have all the restaurants, just to remember or figure out that the people in Spain like to do what they call la siesta. So what it is that basically it's closed between certain hours and the people are just gone. They're gone home for nap or whatever. And then there was one place that was open. We were talking to this man, asked for the menu, and then he said, oh, we don't do food until 9 o'clock. So now we're back in the car and we're gonna drive to the supermarket, try to get some food in us. Beep beep. So we are on day 2 of our Spanish holidays. So what you have behind me is the view that we have actually from our stay villa. So bedroom balcony window that we have there. That's the view that we have. But now we just took the bikes. I'll show you the bikes in a minute. Awesome things. So what we discovered in Spain so far is that they have different opening hours than what we're used to. Definitely not the same that what we have back home. So we just had breakfast at noon-ish, and it seemed like everything was starting to open at noon, but then they're closing again, or some places stay open but they don't offer food for the rest of the day. They'll only be available for food again later at night. So when you want to have a bite to eat, definitely plan along those lines. So like you can have lunch around noon, but have a big lunch or bring some snacks with you, because things are not going to be able to, you're not going to be able to find food anywhere else past that time until 9 p.m. So definitely plan that along. We made it as far as we could with the bikes, but now we're just walking to that little point there. The sea cave. Oh wow, there is a big sea cave. Kind of like in Harry Potter, you know? Sorry for the non-Harry Potter fans. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so here we are. The headland of El Suances. Oh, hello. Oh. We've got some skilled surfers here. Look at that. Wow. Pretty impressive. So we're in a restaurant right now. We are just tasting the freshest squid we've ever had in our entire lives. Just want to show you guys, like, the picture doesn't do justice to it. Those are the squids. It came full. We've been munching on them, but like, they are so good. It's unbelievable, isn't it?
It's perfect.
It's unbelievable. So we're just gonna keep munching on our squid. Good morning, everyone. So we are now on day 3 of our travels in Spain, and we have just left our first Airbnb place staying that we were at, and now we're on the road heading towards, what's it called? Dijon, and on the way we're stopping in some area there that they're going to do some cheese tasting for us. We'll just taste the cheese and try to understand what we're listening to. But yeah, so we've just left this lovely place and now we're heading towards the cheese tasting area. So we have just crossed this cave tunnel of darkness and of scariness, and I was quite anxious. I wouldn't say traumatizing, but it was an experience. Once you see the light, after all the creepy turns and everything, at the end of the cave, it's not even a tunnel, it's really a cave. It's kind of relieving. You feel like, wow, you made it out alive. And then once you come on the other side, there's like a cute little village, which is absolutely lovely, but you don't really know when you enter the cave that that's going to be the case. You're wondering if you're lost, you have no signal, there's no radio station coming in. Like, it's just a little bit worrying. So it's nice that there's something on the end of the tunnel. I'm gonna try to share a video of the tunnel, but since it's really dark, it's a cave, like it's not a tunnel, it's a cave. Since it's very dark, I don't know if we're gonna be able to see anything. We were driving with our beam lights on just so we would be able to see. It was very scary. I am a little bit afraid of dark and cornered places, a little bit. And I don't tend to do caves because I don't like that. But we did it. We drove through it and it was fine. And now we're gonna do this little cidery and cheese tasting tour, which we're really looking forward to. So I'll just show you a little bit of the village. I'll give you an update after we've done it. Yeah, so this is the village here. So you come in and you see this little road that you have to follow. And then there's a car here, but there was no car when we arrived. So he's probably here for the same tour as we are. And then you have to get yourself to the train station. I'll show you in a minute where the train station is. It's not obvious that it's a train station. You have to kind of figure it out. And once you make it to the train station, you know you are at the right place. So, and that yellow building here is the train station. Our little cheese experience, and my Spanish translation was not the best, but not the worst either. And now she sent us on an excursion. So she said, do you have time to go out? Do you have a dinner reservation or lunch reservation? I was like, no, we don't. She's like, okay, you have to go explore this. It's a suspension bridge. So now we're on our way to the suspension bridge. All right, so this is it. This is the suspension bridge. Don't know how trusty I am of it. So, pasarela uso exclusivo peatonal. So it means it's exclusive to pedestrians, people only. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is shaky. We made it back and forth. Woo! Okay, put your lights, beam lights on. The tunnel that you have to go through to get to this town that we were just in.
It's serious, isn't it?
It's mad. Woo, we made it. Yoo-hoo.